Minnesota is a 4-day event focusing on hands-on workshops and big-name keynote talks.
Each day starts with a big-name keynote, after which attendees break into their own workshops.
We will be breaking every 90 minutes for food and mingling in the expo. Don't miss it.
Once workshops wrap for the day, we will hold an evening conference talk.
Get inspired by big keynotes, hands-on workshops, and take with you new skills, experiences, and connections.
We hope to see you for NDC Minnesota 2022, November 15th to 18th at the Minneapolis Convention Center.
Hotel packages are available.